In this lesson, I will be showing you how to extract roots, and this is an Algebra 2 lesson. So extracting roots is essentially just where you have a root and then you simplify it down into exponents. So I'll write down the first sample problem. So number 1, so we have cube root of a squared, b to the power of 4, and then c to the power of 5. So extracting roots is really quite simple. It's basically how you would solve this problem would be you would take this number on the outside. In this case, it's a 3, so it's a cube root, or it could be any other number, and then essentially you would just take all of these numbers or variables inside the root, and then you would take that exponent and then have this outside number in as the denominator. So I'll just show you. Here we'll just take the first one, a squared. So our first answer to the problem would be a to the power of 2 by 3. Now the reason it's 2 by 3 is because this cube root essentially just acts as the denominator of this exponent, and this denominator and each of these variables will have that exact same denominator because it's all under a cube root. So now c to the power of 5 by 3. So now our final answer would be this. It's that simple. So now we'll just take a second practice problem. Let's just take this here. X plus y squared. Now x plus y whole squared to root 5. So we would do the exact same thing where we would take this outside number here, whatever the root is, and then you would basically just put it as the denominator of the exponents inside the root. So this would break down into x plus y to the power of 2 by 5. Now we'll look at 2 more practice problems. This is number 3. This is a little bit more tricky. So we'll have cube root of r squared s over t to the power of 4. Now, in this case, the division that goes on inside the root doesn't change anything. You're basically just going to take the exponent just like you did in the first 2 problems. So we're going to take the outside number here, which would be 3. We take that as a 3, and then we would just put it as the denominator of everything there. So that means we will get r to the power of 2 by 3, and then s. And s is technically s to the power of 1. It's technically s to the power of 1, so it would be s to the power of 1 by 3 divided by t, and then our exponent is 4, so 4 by 3. So this would be the final answer. And now one more practice problem. This is pretty simple. So we have 5 root 32 f to the power of 4. Now, we just do the exact same thing. We take this outer number here, and that would be 5, and now we just add as the denominator. So now we get 32 f to the power of 4 by 5. So that is how you extract the roots. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos. Thank you.